Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 15. Name of the chapter 15 is the Some Natural Phenomena. And today I will start with activity 15.3. Activity 15.3, to show that repulsion is the surest test of electrification. To show that repulsion is the surest test for electrification. Materials required: plastic soda, straw, razor blade, piece of any woolen material, common pin. Method: cut the plastic soda straw into two halves and with the help of razor blade. Cut the plastic soda straw into two halves, you can see in the diagram, and with the help of razor blade, and suspend one part of the soda straw from the tabletop with the help of common pin, and check that soda straw is free to oscillate about the common pin, and switch off the fans it working. And then what, rub the second part of the soda straw with the woolen material so as to electrically charge it. Bring this charged soda straw near the vertically suspended uncharged soda straw, you can see in the diagram. And you will notice that uncharged soda straw is attracted towards the charged soda straw. And what is the conclusion from this activity? It can be concluded that uncharged bodies are attracted towards the charged bodies. So above this experiment conclude that uncharged bodies are attracted towards the charged bodies. Now rub the suspended plastic soda straw with woolen material so as to charge it electrically, and bring near it previously charged plastic soda straw, and you will notice that the suspended soda straw gets repelled. Conclusion from this activity, it can be concluded that similarly charged bodies are repelled, and when similarly charged bodies, it will repulsion takes place, and when it is opposite, then it will uncharged soda straw and charged soda straw, then attraction takes place, and when charged soda straw is, the repulsion takes place. Charged soda straw, then repulsion takes place. And now the attraction takes place between a charged and a uncharged body. When is the attraction takes place? When a charged and a uncharged body, and when opposite charged bodies, therefore we can take attraction as a sure test of electrification. So we can say that attraction and repulsion takes place in two different conditions. And however we as a repulsion takes place only between similarly, so we can say that repulsion takes place only between similarly charged bodies. Repulsion is the surest test of electrification. And now come to the activity 15.4. In activity 15.4, to show that equal and opposite charges are produced during electrification. Materials required: two similar plastic rulers, a strip of woolen cloth, cello tape, small bits of paper or thermocol. Cut a strip of woolen cloth equal and to the size of the one plastic ruler, and fix this strip of woolen cloth over the plastic ruler, as you can see in the diagram. And rub the plastic surface of the one ruler over the woolen surface of the other ruler for a minute, and holding both the rulers close to one another, then what will happen? Bring them near teeny bits of paper or thermocol, and you will notice that bits of paper are not attracted. In that case it will not attract, but now separate the ruler and bring them one by one near the bits of paper, then you will notice that bits of paper are attracted in either case, and this shows that plastic rulers are electrically charged. However, these charges did not show up when they were held together, as no bits of paper were attracted when both the plastic rulers were held together. It can be safely concluded that electric charges produced on them are equal and opposite. So by this activity, it is proved that equal and opposite charges are produced during electrification. In conclusion, when both the plastic rulers were held together, it can be safely concluded and electric charge produced on them are equal and opposite. So this is the activity 15.4, and you will take revision till here, and I am teaching chapter 15, some natural phenomena, and till the activity 15.4 you will read and you will learn these two activity 15.4 and 15.3. You will take revision of these two activity. And till here activity 15.4 you will take revision.